me again, Nana Kwesi Eya from Studio Room 4, and this is Go in 5 YouTube channel, and we've been learning about editing, how you can edit your own movies, your own music videos, and how you can edit even your wedding videos and the party videos. And time now, we've learned a lot about Adobe Premiere Pro workstation, and we are still on trying to hit harder and find out and dig more stuff. And today we are going to look at effect, the effect panel. Previous video we just looked at the effect control panel and how you can manipulate each and every button over there. And today we're also going to look at the effect itself. Now, the effect panel contains a lot of effect, effects that you need to be using for your edit. It already have stored effect, preset. Preset is a kind of already made effect, already made effect, or already made creative piece that they've installed it there. If you don't want to worry yourself and do things by yourself, you just go to that panel and then select any kind of preset that you want to add to your video. But if you if you're still learning editing and you get to some point, you realize that a lot of presets that they use, you can be creating your own preset. Like, for example, I am doing now, I create my own preset, but for your sake, I'm going to show you where you can go for simple effect that you can apply on your videos when you are editing it. Now, where do we locate? We already did that. You know where to locate your effect panel. You just have to go to where the project panel is, and then just go to this small arrow and look through, and you will see your effects. Now, if you click on it, everything you see here, it's a folder. This is a folder. That one too is a folder. Everything you see with a small arrow at the left side of it pointing that particular bin, it means it's a folder and something is in it. Now let's look at some presets. Like when you go to the first folder, we see a lot of folders too in it, and we have bevel and edges, we have blur, we have a lot of effect over here that maybe you might be needing it. So as I'm showing you here, you have to just take your time to choose each effect and use it, and you will know what it does, and you will get to understand how each effect over there works. So let's say we have we have this preset, and inside the preset, that folder, we have bevel edge thick, we have the bevel edges. There are all effects, and when it comes to this preset to lumetric preset, it also a stored color corrected, already made color correction preset. So let's say you are working on a video and you need instant grading. For us, Studio Room 4, we do our own grading. We don't use presets. But maybe you being a beginner, you love to spice up your footages a little bit. The way it was shot, you want to brighten it up. Maybe you want the colors to appear more, you want vibrant colors and all that. The Lumetri preset contains everything you need to be doing all those kind of things, the image style and picture style and everything you want to do. So let's say, for example, inside the cinematic, inside the cinematic folder, there are a couple of presets also here, and if you click on it, it will be selecting right here for you. So cine space 100, it's a color grading, and this one too is a color grading. So let's learn how to use this effect. You can just simply just alright, you can just simply click on a certain preset that you want and just drag that preset and release it on the file that you want to apply your effect. So I'm still holding it. When I release the click, it's going to apply that effect. Boom, like this. So before it was like this, and now when I drag the preset on it, it becomes okay. So you've corrected something, your image. You've tried to make some things right here, but knowing here, we teach you how to use this effect so that you can manipulate and do your own thing. Okay, now this effect that we've applied on it, we told you that in the effect control button, you can control every effect you apply on your clip. This is what we mean by controlling every effect on your clip. Now we click on here and we've applied what? Cine space 50 on what? Your clip. So how do we know that we've applied it? Because the effect control gives you details about what you are working on your clip. This is the effect you apply on. Now if you click on this FX small thing, that means activate off and on. Okay, so if I cancel this like this, it's going to give me the clip, the default style of the picture of the clip. Okay, so when I click on that small FX again, that means it's going to give it to me how it is. So here with this tool, you can manipulate, change everything that you need. Okay, maybe you want to add some things more, you manipulate it, like completely everything you want to do to your clip. Okay, so that is why this button is there for you. Now we are done talking about the effect control, so we're still talking about effect itself. So there are more effects in this folder. This is also a folder containing preset for audios. So let's say for when you drag this on this, it won't work, but it won't go on a video effect, but it will apply on the audio side. Okay, so let's go back to effect control. Now search through videos, you will never see that particular effect because it made for audio. Okay, you won't see that effect anywhere in the video, but when you check the audio effect, you will see what you applied on. We applied adaptive noise reduction, and this is adaptive noise reduction. So basically this folder helps you to better your editing. Okay, and in the folders we also have videos. Not only the Lumetri, when you go to the Lumetri preset, you also have access to touch your image, and the same way when you go to video effect, it gives you some effects that you won't see it in the preset board, Lumetri preset, but you rather see it in the video effects like blur and sharpness. You will see it in the video effect folder. Okay, and this is, just go through, take your time and go through each and every effect in the effect panel and know how to use each and every effect there. It's not going to be easy for you, but just take your time. Don't be lazy, take your time and go through. Now I've applied what you call it, blur, directional blur on my clip, and maybe I want to touch my directional blur. I just have to go through and look for my directional blur over here, and then just to manipulate my inputs. Okay, if I want to add more stuff to it, see, I'm adding effect, however then you want to apply to your image. So in general, this is also the place you will see your transitions. If you can create transition for yourself, this is the place you have to have access to default transitions in Premiere Pro. Now transitions like video transitions, when it comes to this point, this folder, you have the 3D, you have the that, you have the that, you have the that, and this one, effects transitions like this one. This is how we apply the transitions. You drag, click, hold and drag in between the clips and release, and it will apply your effect for you. And this is how the effect is going to give us nicely. Again, applying transition on your audio, it's only between two clips, or either beginning of a clip or ending of the clip, or in between a clip. So this is the effect. And if I want to change the transition, I can just simply drag another effect, another transition on the same transition that I selected earlier, like this, and it will change the transition feel for me. And also, let's say I want to add a divorce, or like dissolve, fade in or fade out, or dissolve something transition between these clips. This is how I have to do it. I go to select the kind of transition that I want and drag it to the beginning of the thing, and it's going to give me very nice transition, like, okay, like the normal way you're watching movie, it will fade from black to the clip itself. And we have multiple transitions also there that you can also check out and have good stuff with it. All right, that is all about the effect panel. Take your time, go through each and every folder and experience, and try to be awesome. This is Studio Room 4, and the channel right now you're on is Go in 5, and Go in 5 will help you to become a better editor someday. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, just make sure you do so. You like and share, and also let us share whatever we know. Maybe you know something, maybe you have new skills, share with us, and let's also communicate as well in the comment section. All right, that is all we have for you today on effects. So just relax, take time, practice, and be awesome in your own way. And next time, now we are trying to do, tutorial in our way, now however we understand it, because when you go to YouTube and type tutorial, you see the wide, and you'll be talking, and you even understand whatever they are saying. But this is in your own way. If you're in Ghana, this is the right platform for you to check on all your editing and anything about filmmaking right here. So see you in the next video, and it's bye.